Weekend curfew has been imposed in Tripura after checking the serious situation of COVID pandemic in the state, with the fresh blow of Delta Plus variant's existence has been confirmed from microbiology lab. The weekend curfew has started from today, that is Saturday 12 noon, and will continue till Monday 6 am, and then the regular curfew will be continued up to 17th of July. Talking to the media in this regard, Sadar SDPO Ramesh Yadav said this curfew has been imposed by the government for public welfare and police are working outside to keep the people safe. As per the announced weekend curfew, everything was closed from 12 noon, but still few people were roaming and lawful actions have been taken against them consequently. He requested the people to abide by the laws because these restrictions are imposed in order to control the COVID pandemic, which has turned deadly.
जो आज वीकेंड कर्फ्यू लगा था वो 12 बजे से लगा हुआ था। हमारी जो पुलिस की टीम है पूरे एरिया में 11:30 से निकल गई थी और सभी को हमने अनाउंस करके भी बताया था कि 12 बजे से वीकेंड कर्फ्यू है। ये कर्फ्यू जो गवर्नमेंट ने लगाया मेनली लोगों के लिए लगाया है, लोगों को सुरक्षित करने के लिए लगाया है, क्योंकि जो कोरोना पेंडेमिक फैल रहा है इसको रोक सके और लोगों को सुरक्षित कर सके। अभी 12 बजे के बाद हमने मैक्सिमम दुकानें बंद करवा दी, फिर भी कुछ लोग अननेसेसरी घूम रहे थे तो 30-40 लोगों को हमने डिटेन किया और 10-15 व्हीकल्स के आसपास हमने उनको सीज किया। उनके अगेंस्ट में जो भी लॉफुल एक्शन है वो लिया जाएगा। आपके माध्यम से मैं लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो गवर्नमेंट ने गाइडलाइन निकाली है वो आप लोगों के लिए निकाली है, आप लोगों को सुरक्षित करने के लिए निकाली गई है, तो आप कृपा करके इसको फॉलो करो और पुलिस के साथ भी कोऑपरेट करो, क्योंकि हम बाहर हैं आप लोगों को सुरक्षित करने के लिए।
7 states have been marked under red alerts as per central data amid the third wave fear among people which might approach within recent days. Recently, the central government team had visited Tripura to submit a report to Delhi on the increasing COVID cases. As per the national data, percentage change of new COVID-19 cases 7-day rolling average in red alert states include Arunachal Pradesh 16.8%, Kerala 5.9%, Manipur 14%, Meghalaya 1.9%, Tripura 1.4%, Sikkim 14.4%, and that of Mizoram at 13.6%. The state government has imposed the total curfew across the state and has also extended Corona day and night curfew in 13 urban areas of the state, including Agartala Municipal Corporation areas, due to continuous spurt of positive cases, and will continue up to 17th of July morning 5 am. While the Corona night curfew has been imposed throughout the state from 6 pm to 5 am from July 12th to 17th of July next. The government has also ordered to continue all training program by following COVID appropriate behaviors by all departments and all training institutions, training centers of the state which are functioning normally for proper conduct of training. Apart from that, all the government and non-government offices across the state, even in the Corona curfew areas, shall operate at 50% attendance, and staggered timing shall be followed for staff that attends from 10 am to 4 pm to ease out congestion on the transport system with strict maintenance of COVID appropriate behaviors. Bureau Report, Halabol.